day, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Simone Rudolph-Shortt, and I'm a Quality Assurance Regulatory Affairs Technical Professional in the medicines, device, foods, and cosmetics market. I navigate research and development, quality management system, and technical production aspects, including best practices like clean room and validation requirements. I would like to thank SAFHE for this opportunity to present and to be able to share my passion for artificial intelligence. My topic today is Artificial Intelligence is Revolutionizing Medical Device User Operations. Excellence today demands more than tradition. It requires innovation. This is where artificial intelligence becomes a powerful ally. AI transforms practices by transforming manual, document-heavy, and reactive tasks into proactive, automated, and continuous workflows. Quality is not an occurrence, as it is a habit that is engineered, structured, and sustained. The foundation for excellence or compliance and for a successful organization lies in the quality management system. QMS is more than a framework, as it is a disciplined approach that embeds good practices into every process, directing us with structured activities, quality controls, and continuous improvement. QMS is the foundation of excellence, with the good practices used to navigate, engineer, and follow the processes with informed instructions and using verification and validation techniques. Adopting artificial intelligence can align policies and enable activities for effective and timely outcomes, which I'll talk about. The benefits of AI include compliance through automated checks against regulatory frameworks, resulting in reduced risk of violations, improved efficiency using real-time process adjustments, realizing higher throughput, higher quality assurance from AI-powered defect detection, enabling lower rejection rates, increased responsiveness with adaptive scheduling and forecasting to ensure faster delivery and heightened realization of sustainability with waste reduction through optimized resource use, through lower costs and greener production, which I will expand on a bit later. AI uses effective delivery techniques through harnessing AI for simulation, test case generation, and real-world performance monitoring, which I will highlight in the next slide. Manufacturers can reduce testing time, minimize manual effort, and still meet the highest compliance and technical standards. Therefore, AI enables effective and timely verification and validation of not only medical devices, but also production processes, transitioning the process from manual, documented, intensive, and reactive tasks to proactive, automated, and continuous workflows. We are seeing artificial intelligence in practice enabling production efficiency. For instance, in manufacturing, the use of predictive maintenance, defect detection reduces downtime and provides higher quality. In healthcare products, we have AI-driven diagnostics and also workflow automation, realizing faster and more accurate outcomes. Facilities realize energy consumption through smart grid optimization and load balancing to become effective and sustainable. And then there is logistics AI, which provides route optimization, demand forecasting, resulting in cost savings and timely delivery. So AI can enable effective and timely verification and validation, both in designing processes, controlling processes, and improving processes. We must all Remember that a process is a stepwise activity of actions to achieve an output using and controlling resources like people, time, methods, equipment, infrastructure, materials. AI will not replace QMS, it strengthens it by aligning policies, enabling activities, and accelerating outcomes. AI ensures that organizations remain agile, responsive, and competitive in a fast-changing regulatory landscape. It empowers us to move from compliance as a checkbox exercise to compliance as a culture of excellence. I will now share some examples. When designing processes, we see the use of data-driven modeling, simulation, and digital twins, and process requirement alignments. Data-driven modeling is where AI analyzes historical and real-time data to design processes that minimize risk and maximize efficiency. With simulation and digital twins, the AI-powered models simulate production or service environments, allowing organizations to test scenarios before implementing. That is the what if. With requirement alignments, AI will ensure process designs meet regulatory and quality standards by cross-checking against compliance frameworks. When we look at the controlling of processes, there is the use of adaptive control systems, predictive maintenance, fault detection, and closed-loop automation. Adaptive control systems have AI algorithms that adjust parameters dynamically to maintain optimal performance under changing conditions. We see this with smart ventilators and heart monitors. If we use for controlling processes through predictive maintenance, machine learning predicts equipment failures, reducing downtime and ensuring reliability. And this is where we see the monitoring of the age of parts on equipment. In fault detection for quality control, AI identifies anomalies in real time, enabling corrective action before issues escalate. And in closed-loop automation for control, AI integrates with sensors and Internet of Things devices to continuously regulate processes without human intervention. We see this with HVAC systems with seasonal fluctuations and in smart devices. When we use AI for improving processes, AI can be used for continuous learning, quality control, demand forecasting, and process optimization. Continuous learning is where AI refines models through iterative feedback, improving accuracy and efficiency over time. In quality control, AI enhances inspection and testing by detecting defects faster and more accurately than manual methods. In demand forecasting, AI can predict market trends and resource needs, aligning production with demand. And for process optimization, algorithms can identify bottlenecks and recommend adjustments to reduce waste and improve throughput. So AI also enables effective and timely verification and validation for medical device products and processes. And this is where we can ask, are we building it right? Verifying. Does it meet the standard user specification requirements? And then, are we building the right products? That's what we call validation for intended use and installation operational qualifications. For verification, AI can be used to clarify a test case, which is a structured scenario used to confirm that a system, product, or process is both correctly built, verification, and is fit for its intended purpose, validation. Verification algorithms can be used for medical equipment, products, infrastructure, installation qualification, operational qualification, and preventive maintenance. These are normally provided by the device manufacturers with operator training and operational monitoring. But through using AI, you can transform the landscape of corporate governance, risk management, and compliance by reducing the manual labor associated with monitoring, measurement, and auditing. So with AI, the verification and validation imminent changes could include automation of testing and test case generation, enhanced quality control and risk mitigation, continuous and real-world validation, regulatory compliance and documentation, and specialized verification and validation applications. Automation of testing and test case generation is where AI tools can analyze requirements in software code to automatically generate comprehensive test cases, including complex edge cases that manual methods might miss. Or you can have AI-driven controllers that can automate the execution of thousands of test cases in parallel, significantly speeding up regression testing. In self-healing tests, AI-powered systems can automatically update or self-heal test scripts when the software user interface or functionality changes, reducing maintenance time. With enhanced quality control and risk mitigation, there is predictive defect detection, where AI can analyze code and system architecture to predict areas with high deficiency probability, enabling test teams to focus on the riskiest components early. AI-powered visual inspection is where in manufacturing, AI visual systems can identify defects in implants or surgical instruments at a micron level, improving manual inspection accuracy and reducing recalls. We've seen this quite regularly in the food sector, especially AB InBev, where they produce all the beers. And then there's synthetic data generation, where generative models can produce realistic synthetic data to test device performance across diverse patient demographics, reducing the reliance on hard-to-acquire sensitive patient data. When we look at continuous and real-world validation, this comes in the form of post-market surveillance, where AI enables continuous monitoring of device performance in real-world clinical settings, detecting model drift when accuracy decreases over time before it compromises patient safety and becomes an adverse event. And we also see real-time data analysis, where AI systems can process massive data sets from Internet of Things. These things are where we have embedded with sensors, software, technologies that connect and exchange data with other devices and systems over the internet. Examples are sensors or wearable devices in real time, providing immediate feedback on device performance. And then we have regulatory compliance and documentation. Using automated traceability matrices, AI tools can automatically generate and maintain requirement traceability matrix, ensuring that every user need is mapped to a test case, which simplifies regulatory and ISO compliance. There's also preemptive compliance, where AI acts as an internal auditor, scanning for regulatory gaps in documentation and ensuring that technical files are audit ready. And then lastly, we see specialized verification and validation applications with the use of digital twins for maintenance, where AI can generate a digital twin of complex devices, for example, MRI machines, to monitor components and detect potential issues, increasing equipment uptime. And then we have explainable AI techniques, which are used to ensure that AI's decision-making processes is transparent, allowing for human oversight, which is critical for high-risk medical devices. So to summarize the key benefits to AI, we get faster time to market, which reduces the validation timeline, cost savings to decrease the cost of manual testing and prevents costly late-stage recalls, and improving accuracy, which reduces human error and provides more consistent, reliable outcomes. While AI enhances verification validation, it's not a complete replacement for human expertise, but serves as an assistive tool to complement human judgment, particularly in maintaining the high-stakes patient safety and compliance. So to end, through verification and validation, we ensure that what we design is not only technically accurate but also effective in the real world. Verification confirms we have built the product right, while validation ensures we have built the right product. Together, they safeguard compliance, efficiency, and most importantly, customer trust. In essence, a quality management system provides the structure, while artificial intelligence provides the speed and foresight. Together, they enable organizations to navigate complexity, engineering robust processes, and delivery of safe, effective, and trusted products to the market on time and with confidence. Excellence is not just about meeting standards, it's about setting them. With QMS as our foundation and AI as our catalyst, we can achieve outcomes that are not only effective and timely, but also transformative. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. I hope you found the presentation informative. Have a wonderful day further. Thank you.